It's a bad man thing.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a little bit different. This is the first video in a series that I'm starting on this channel called Learn With Me. So in this Learn With Me series, I am jumping out of my comfort zone and just doing some things, sometimes for the first time, second time, or maybe the third time. So if you are interested in seeing the first video, which is making this wig, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so let's get started. So the hair I'm using is from Beautyforever. I will definitely leave their information in the description box down below. And the hair I'm using is their Malaysian Virgin Curly. I have 3 24-inch bundles, 1 22-inch bundle, and a 20-inch ear-to-ear frontal closure. So for this how-to, you will definitely need the following that you see here.
Body nice. See, I got them girl, them are moving right. See, the girl, them I got me hypnotized.
So I'm basically going to be using some of the items to create bulk on this mannequin head. I do have a 24-inch circumference, and this mannequin head, of course, is a little too narrow and too small for me. I'm also going to be stretching out the spandex wig cap. This definitely helps, especially when you are using the hot glue gun method. It helps to loosen up the cat so it fits a little bit better. Yes, I know it looks janky, girls, but trust me, it worked out for me.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow.
So I'm just gonna start by pinning this hair on to the spandex dome cap. And of course, I already have my closure sewn on to the wig cap. And as you can see, I am just cutting my wefts before, I'm cutting my wefts after I measure out where I want my track to be placed. So one thing I would caution with the hot glue gun method is you definitely want to use little by little. I ended up using a little too much on some of these tracks, and it did dry with almost like a blue cast. So you definitely want to be careful with how much glue you use on your tracks. So the method that works best for me is to pin my tracks on the mannequin head, measure out, then cut my wefts. And then I'm going to go back with the hot glue gun method and of course glue my tracks to the dome cap. Now one thing I didn't mention is you definitely want to use a plastic bag under your dome cap. This is so when the glue does seep through the dome cap, it does not attach itself to your mannequin head, if that makes sense. So when you take this wig off of the mannequin head, you should have no problems with it coming off with ease, versus if you did this on the mannequin head, you would have to pry it off because the glue would stick to the styrofoam head. I tried my best to use every single track, and I did start off very close at the bottom, and then I spread my wefts out going towards the top. Now see, what had happened was I was tired and this was late at night, so this did take a little bit longer than I wanted it to. I do think I am getting better, so if you are doing the hot glue gun method, you're looking at maybe 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your experience. And now I think I have my method down to 30 minutes or less when it comes to using the hot glue gun method. So you also want to make sure that you pin your dome cap securely to your mannequin head so it does not move around. And placement of your dome cap is very, very important. As you can see in this video, the dome cap was pinned in a downward fashion on this mannequin head. I now do mine in an upward fashion. It's really hard for me to explain, but I'll insert a picture of what I mean.
Original Batman.
It's V-Kills.
Standard.
I did get some expected shedding, of course, after cutting my wefts and plucking the frontal. Surprisingly, 3 bundles was actually enough, but I wanted to try to use as much as I can, so I did end up using 3.5. But you could definitely get away with using 3 bundles with this hair.
We ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display.
And here we are with this hair by Beautyforever. So of course, big thank you, big shout out to them for sending over the hair. Definitely appreciate it. And I'm not gonna spend too much time with this part of the video because I think I pretty much covered everything when I showed how to make the wig. So this is the first video in my Learn With Me series. I'm very, very happy with this hair. I absolutely love the curl pattern. It does match my hair pretty much. If I were to have my hair this long, this is my curl pattern. This is what my hair would look like. This is a very densely packed frontal. You will have to pluck and tweeze, and of course, you know, add your own little tweaks here and there. Now let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room. Yes, I know my frontal is not laying as flat as it can. It is showing on camera. Trust me, I'm already disappointed in myself. But I think with practice, I will definitely get better with the application of these frontals. I did not bleach the knots on this unit. All of that will come into play with later videos if you guys enjoy this Learn With Me series. Now, I did go in and pluck the hairline on this frontal, but I did not pluck this part. I did not pluck this part, girl. All I did was apply my pressed powder, and that was it. That was literally it with the part. So, yeah. If you are interested in more videos for this Learn With Me series, I would definitely love to get your input in the comment box down below. If you are interested in the hair by Beautyforever, then I will leave their information and a direct link to this hair in the comment box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel, girl. Let me know that you're here. Just a little knock knock, a little tap. That's all I'm asking. And you ladies, you know what I say. Whatever wig you wear or make, whatever style, cut, or color, just wear it with confidence, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.
Original, 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 original bad.